In the midsize SUV segment, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE is a sophisticated embodiment of opulence, performance, and modern automotive design. In a spacious and family-friendly package, the GLE has consistently combined refined styling, cutting-edge technology, and powerful performance, solidifying its status as a cornerstone of the Mercedes-Benz lineup. Mercedes continues to enhance the GLE's appeal with a succession of thoughtful updates in 2026, building upon its successful foundation. This improvement encompasses a powertrain lineup that accommodates a diverse array of driving preferences, as well as subtle exterior refinements and upgraded interior materials and technology. From daily commuting to long-distance cruising, the new GLE provides a driving experience that is both effortlessly confident and premium. While the 2026 GLE maintains its mid-size proportions and dignified presence on the road, it has undergone several perceptible design upgrades that further modernize its aesthetic. The new grille design is more prominently displayed at the front, with a bold central Mercedes-Benz star emblem that immediately indicate the vehicle's luxury status. A more contemporary design language has been reflected in the grille pattern, which is now more refined. The trim can feature either horizontal slats or a three-dimensional star motif. The grille is flanked by LED headlamps that are more angular and slimmer, and they now feature Mercedes-Benz's most recent digital light technology. The beam pattern is dynamically shaped by millions of micro mirrors in this sophisticated system, which improves visibility without blinding other drivers. Additionally, the vehicle's front bumper has been altered to provide it with a more streamlined and sculpted appearance. The air intakes are more purposive and angular, not only for aesthetic purposes, but also to more efficiently channel airflow, thereby improving aerodynamic performance. Even when the vehicle is stationary, the GLE's flowing shoulder lines accentuate agility and movement along its sides. Flush-fitting door handles, which are now standard across the range, assist in maintaining a clean profile and reducing drag. Additionally, chrome trim around the windows adds a dash of elegance. Wheel sizes are contingent upon the trim and options chosen, with the standard model and Sport Gear and AMG variants featuring wheels measuring 19 inches and 22 inches respectively. Each design has been curated and aerodynamically optimized to complement the vehicle's proportions. A reprofiled lower fascia and more incorporated surfacing have simplified the tailgate at the rear. Echoing the motive from the front lights, the LED taillights have been redesigned to exhibit a more intricate illumination signature. Select models feature twin integrated exhaust tips that contribute to a dynamic yet reserved rear-end appearance. In addition, the GLE's color palette has been updated, featuring a variety of new paint options such as metallic and matte finishes that are suitable for both conservative and expressive purchasers. An interior environment that seamlessly integrates user-focused innovation with understated opulence is revealed upon entering the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE. The layout of the cabin will be familiar to returning customers, however, it has been discreetly refined in nearly every aspect. New ornamental materials such as polished metal accents, refined soft-touch surfaces, and open-pore walnut contribute to the interior's visual and tactile richness. Upper trims feature high-grade Nappa leather, while seating surfaces are upholstered in upgraded leather options, including resilient yet supple MB techs. Dual 12.3-inch displays dominate the GLE's dashboard, which forms a broad digital interface that extends from the driver's side to the center stack. The MBUX, Mercedes-Benz User Experience Infotainment System, which is the most recent iteration, is responsible for the operation of these high-resolution screens. A more intuitive menu structure, enhanced graphical detail, and faster response times are all features of this system. Voice control has also been enhanced, resulting in a more natural language processor and improved contextual comprehension, which provides a more seamless and practical experience for everyday commands. The augmented reality head-up display is becoming available in 2026. Turn-by-turn navigation, speed, and other driving data are projected directly into the driver's field of vision through superimposed graphics on the windshield in this feature. It increases situational awareness without causing distraction, particularly in complex intersections or congested urban settings. The standard technology comprises Bluetooth connectivity, numerous USB-C ports, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wireless functionality, and over-the-air software update capability. A more advanced navigation system with real-time traffic data, in-car Wi-Fi hotspot, and wireless phone charging are all included in higher trims. The front seats of the 2026 GLE provide an exceptional combination of comfort and support. With the availability of massage programs, heating, ventilation, and memory settings, lengthy drives are made effortless by the multi-contour functionality. Ample legroom and headroom are available for rear passengers, and the second row can be equipped with individual climate zones and heated seating. An optional third-row seat increases the number of passengers to 7. However, it is most appropriate for brief trips or children. Additional advantages of the GLE include cargo capacity. By folding the third row, the GLE offers ample luggage space that is suitable for business travels, sports equipment, or family vacations. Even more space is available by collapsing the second row, and the power folding feature ensures that switching between configurations is effortless and rapid. The standard feature is the hands-free power liftgate, which increases the convenience of loading and offloading cargo. Occupants can tailor the cabin atmosphere to their mood or driving context by utilizing ambient interior lighting, which offers 64 selectable hues. The space is visually revealed by a panoramic skylight, which introduces a sense of openness and natural light. The optional Burmester 3D surround sound system is a popular choice among music enthusiasts. It transforms the cabin into a mobile concert hall by delivering immersive audio quality through strategically located speakers and subwoofers. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE is equipped with a variety of powertrains that are specifically engineered to meet the requirements of customers, including efficiency, commonplace refinement, and performance. The 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine that powers the base GLE 350 generates 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. This powertrain is attached to the 4MATE-AC all-wheel drive system and a 9-speed automatic transmission. It provides exceptional fuel efficiency for its class and is particularly well-suited for urban travel and long-distance cruising, as it provides smooth, predictable acceleration. Continuing to ascend the lineup, the GLE 450 is equipped with a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6 engine that incorporates EQ Boost mild hybrid technology. This configuration generates 369 pound-feet of torque and 375 horsepower. The interval starter generator guarantees seamless stop-start transitions, improves fuel economy, and provides an additional 21 horsepower for brief bursts. The engine remains composed even when under strain, and acceleration is swift and linear. A compelling equilibrium between efficiency and performance is achieved by this iteration of the GLE. Performance aficionados will be attracted to the AMG GLE 53. The total output of this model is 429 horsepower and 384 pound-feet of torque, which is achieved by further refining and enhancements to the same 3.0-liter inline-6. By incorporating AMG-specific components such as a sport-tuned air suspension, performance brakes, and a dynamic exhaust system, the GLE 53 is transformed from a stately cruiser to an SUV that can legitimately excite the driver. With the assistance of AMG's Performance 4MATE Plus system and adaptive dampening, it accelerates from 0 to 60 in less than 5 seconds and maintains its composure on the road. There is a refined 9-speed automatic transmission that is coupled with each powertrain, providing smooth, intelligent shifting. Through a variety of drive modes such as Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus, Eco, and Individual, the GLE accommodates a variety of driving techniques. These parameters modify the transmission behavior, steering weight, suspension stiffness, and throttle response. Also included in higher trims are off-road modes that enhance stability and traction when traversing uneven terrain. The ride quality of the 2026 GLE is one of its most remarkable features. Standard coil suspension offers an optimal balance of control and comfort. However, the AIRMATIC air suspension is available in higher specification levels or as an optional package. The ride height and damping are automatically adjusted by this system in accordance with the speed, road conditions, and drive mode, resulting in an exceptionally smooth and composed journey. The GLE is capable of shielding its passengers from the majority of road defects, whether they are traversing urban streets or traveling over lengthy highways. The 2026 GLE serves as an extension of Mercedes-Benz's legacy of innovation and assurance in the realm of safety. It comprises the most recent advanced driver assistance systems, which are intended to alleviate the driver's duty and safeguard the occupants. Adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking are available as standard features. In order to maintain the vehicle's alignment even on curving roads, a new and enhanced lane centering system utilizes navigation data and road markings. Active Steering Assist offers the driver mild corrections to assist in maintaining the GLE in its lane, while Evasive Steering Assist enables the driver to navigate around obstacles in the event of an impending collision. An available 360-degree camera system provides a bird's-eye view of the environs, facilitating tight maneuvering and parking. The optional Parking Pilot system can also assume complete control of steering, braking, and gear adjustments to enable the vehicle to park autonomously in parallel or perpendicular locations. The detection of pedestrians and animals beyond the range of standard headlamps is facilitated by adaptive high beams and infrared night vision assistance, which enhances nighttime driving. With a rigid safety cell, multiple airbags, and active head restraints, passive safety is also very robust. Pricing for the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE is anticipated to commence at approximately $62,000 for the GLE 354 MHz, increasing to approximately $72,000 for the GLE 450, and exceeding $86,000 for the AMG GLE 53, contingent upon the options and packages. AMG Night Package, panoramic sunroof, Burmester audio, third-row seating, and sophisticated tech packages are among the add-ons that can increase the total, particularly when the vehicle is fully equipped. Mercedes-Benz warranty and service plan are available for each model, and the GLE's updated infotainment system guarantees that features and software are maintained on an ongoing basis. The vehicle can be customized to fit the buyer's lifestyle, whether it is centered on spirited driving performance, professional luxury, or family utility, by selecting from a variety of trims and configurations. In conclusion, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE offers a persuasive package for individuals who are in search of a midsize luxury SUV that is exceptional in all aspects. It is distinguished in its category by its refined interior, advanced technology, freshened design, and selection of competent engines. Mercedes has enhanced the appeal of an SUV that was already highly regarded, while maintaining the qualities that rendered the GLE so successful. The 2026 GLE is more than prepared to perform on all fronts for those in pursuit of a vehicle that can serve as a refined commuter, a comfortable family hauler, and an engaging weekend performer. A prime example of the direction in which premium SUVs are headed in the future, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE class is set to debut. It is a vehicle that simultaneously honors the past and embraces the future, marking the intersection of traditional luxury and cutting-edge innovation. During a period in which the automotive industry is being redefined by electrification, intelligent digital integration, and sustainable mobility, the GLE class is a leader in this field, proudly upholding the Mercedes-Benz legacy with intelligence, power, and grace. This latest iteration of the GLE class provides subtle yet effective refinements that improve the visual design and performance dynamics. Mercedes-Benz has chosen to implement a well-planned evolution, emphasizing intelligent enhancements throughout the entire portfolio, rather than implementing radical changes. Regardless of whether one is approaching it from the exterior or entering, the GLE class possesses an unmistakable premium presence and a calm confidence. A refined yet recognizable silhouette is evident from the exterior of the 2026 GLE class. Through precision sculpting and a more athletic stance, the design conveys fluidity and strength. The SUV's front fascia has been updated to include LED headlamps that are slimmer and more sharply defined, and they are equipped with adaptive matrix technology. This technology provides increased visibility and enhances the SUV's contemporary and assertive appearance. The front end is distinguished by a refined pattern and optional illuminated surrounds, which have been added to the grille. This is particularly evident in low-light conditions. Aerodynamics are also significant in the exterior modifications. In order to enhance both efficiency and stability at high speeds, the lower front bumper has been redesigned to facilitate the movement of air through side channels and underbody components. The dynamic and muscular appearance of the GLE is further accentuated by a streamlined beltline that extends from the front mudguard to the rear quarter panel. Sculpted doors with recessed handles further enhance the premium wind-cutting profile, while the rear is complemented by new three-dimensional LED taillights that provide an engaging visual signature both during the day and at night. These features not only enhance visibility and driver confidence, but also contribute to the futuristic appearance. Upon the exterior's refinement and evolution, the focus shifts to the foundation. Mercedes-Benz upgraded its modular high architecture (MHA) platform for the GLE class. For 2026, this platform has been redesigned to accommodate a wider variety of drivetrains, with a particular focus on electrification. In an effort to remain at the forefront of the industry's transition to entirely electric offerings, the GLE provides variants that are powered by internal combustion engines, mild hybrid systems, and plug-in hybrid technology. In certain regions, the Mercedes EQ sub-brand offers completely electric GLE models, thereby guaranteeing that the platform remains future-ready and versatile. A variety of engine options are available from Mercedes-Benz for those who continue to value traditional performance. The base models are equipped with a turbocharged inline-4, while the mid-range trims are powered by a robust inline-6. The performance-focused variants are equipped with a powerful V8 engine that has been modified by Mercedes-AMG. Standard 48-volt mild hybrid assistance is now available to all powertrains, irrespective of the engine of choice. by enabling features such as regenerative braking, smoother start-stop transitions, and brief electric enhancements during acceleration. This technology significantly enhances both fuel economy and performance. Engine bay performance enhancements are not the sole focus. The 2026 GLE class also benefits from improvements in suspension systems and chassis calibration. One of the most significant enhancements is the integration of the e-active body control system, a sophisticated air suspension system that adjusts in real time in response to road conditions, driving style, and cornering forces. This is achieved by independently adjusting each wheel through a network of actuators and sensors, which results in a smooth and precisely balanced ride. With this technology, the GLE is capable of being both agile on twisty roads and comfortable on highways, an uncommon feat. In addition, the suspension system provides supplementary advantages for off-road enthusiasts. By increasing the vehicle's ride height, it is possible to enhance ground clearance and approach angles, thereby simplifying the process of traversing muddy trails or rugged paths. A new off-road driving assistant that employs onboard cameras to evaluate the terrain encircling the vehicle is integrated by Mercedes-Benz to facilitate this capability. The driver is able to confidently investigate less paved routes without stress when the system provides a live video overlay on the center display, which highlights safe paths and potential obstacles. Inside the 2026 GLE class, the compartment exudes a heightened sense of functionality and refinement. Mercedes-Benz remains steadfast in its dedication to the development of interiors that redefine the limits of technology and comfort. Fine Napa leather, open-pore wood accents, anodized aluminum elements, and customizable ambient lighting are all featured in the cabin materials. Consequently, the space is characterized by a warm and refined atmosphere that is undeniably contemporary. Although the layout remains recognizable, the trim options and finishing details have been updated to provide a more refined character. Two 14.4-inch floating displays that are connected form a widescreen digital cockpit and dominate the dashboard. These displays are equipped with the most recent version of the MBUX infotainment system, which boasts enhanced functionality, sharper visuals, and faster response times. Based on the driver's preference, the digital instrument cluster is highly configurable, enabling them to alternate between classic and contemporary schemes. Meanwhile, the central screen manages a wide range of functions including climate control, navigation, and vehicle settings, in addition to media and navigation. Via the most recent iteration of the Hey Mercedes Assistant, voice control has been improved. Now capable of managing numerous duties concurrently, this AI-driven interface is capable of accepting a greater number of natural language commands. The system performs with remarkable speed and comprehension, whether it is adjusting the climate, navigating to a destination, or locating a nearby restaurant. Additional layers of convenience and personalization are also incorporated into the driving experience through gesture control and biometric recognition. In the GLE, comfort is a significant feature. Front passengers are compensated with seats that are heated and ventilated with massage capabilities that are exceedingly adjustable. Entertainment displays are optionally mounted behind the front headrests, and rear seat occupants are provided with ample legroom and adjustable recline angles. These screens now facilitate real-time navigation sharing, streaming applications, and gaming connections, thereby transform lengthy road journeys into enjoyable experiences for all passengers. Practicality and storage are not to be overlooked. The rear seats of the GLE class can be folded flat to accommodate larger objects, and there is ample cargo space behind the second row. Hands-free opening is made possible by a foot motion sensor in addition to the standard electric liftgate. In addition to conventional stowage compartments, Mercedes-Benz incorporates thoughtful features such as wireless charging pads, multiple USB-C ports, and modular cup holder designs that accommodate a variety of beverage sizes. In the 2026 GLE class, Mercedes-Benz has also prioritized safety. The driver assistance features that have been upgraded include adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go capability, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and active steering assist. Updated sensors and camera systems offer a more precise threat detection and a broader field of vision. The intersection assist system can now detect vehicles approaching from the side and implement emergency braking if necessary. This is particularly noteworthy. Traffic sign recognition, a semi-autonomous driving mode for highways, and a surround view camera system are all available as optional features. Technology continues to evolve with the implementation of over-the-air software updates. A novel platform has been implemented by Mercedes-Benz to facilitate consistent revisions to navigation maps, infotainment features, and even powertrain optimizations. In addition to enhancing customer satisfaction and longevity, this method guarantees that the GLE remains current for an extended period of time after it has been removed from the dealership. One of the quietest cabins in its segment is the 2026 GLE class. thanks to advancements in acoustic insulation. Utilizing sound-deadening materials, enhanced door seals, and thicker glass, engine and wind noise are mitigated throughout the cabin. Even when traveling at highway velocities, the GLE preserves a tranquil and collected environment, enabling passengers to converse or unwind without interruption. The fuel efficiency is contingent upon the engine and configuration that are chosen. Thanks to the regenerative braking system and smoother stop-start operations, the mild hybrid inline 4- and 6-cylinder variants provide enhanced fuel economy compared to previous models. In daily driving, plug-in hybrid versions can operate exclusively on electric power for brief city commutes, thereby substantially reducing fuel consumption and emissions. The AMG-tuned V8 is more performance-oriented, but it is still supported by hybrid boost features that improve acceleration while marginally reducing fuel consumption. Mercedes-Benz provides an extensive selection of packages and individual options for those who are interested in customization. Upgraded rims in 19 to 22-inch sizes, AMG body styling kits, exclusive interior color themes, and advanced audio systems, including the Burmester 3D surround sound, are available. Furthermore, the GLE 350, GLE 450, GLE 580, and the high-performance AMG GLE 63S are among the numerous trim levels that enables purchasers to customize the vehicle to their specific requirements and preferences. The base variant of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE class is anticipated to be priced at approximately $65,000 USD. This model is equipped with a turbocharged inline 4. The projected price range for mid-range variants that are equipped with a 6-cylinder engine and additional luxury features is between $75,000 and $85,000. Plug-in hybrid models may be marginally more expensive as a result of incentives and further battery technology. The AMG versions, which are completely equipped with performance and luxury upgrades, may exceed $115,000 due to their V8 power and performance advantages. Although it is priced at a premium, the GLE offers exceptional value by virtue of its sophisticated features, comfort, and performance. Summary: the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLE class remains a standard in the luxury midsize SUV market. Sophistication, technological advancement, and driving capability are all present in balance. Regardless of whether one is traversing city streets, investigating country roads, or embarking on lengthy highway journeys, the GLE is an adaptable and intelligent companion. Mercedes-Benz has developed a vehicle that not only pays tribute to its distinguished history, but also anticipates the future with confidence, ensuring that it is prepared to satisfy the changing requirements of drivers worldwide. Because of its dedication to innovation, engineering excellence, and considerate design, the GLE class continues to be a testament to luxury executed correctly. Mercedes-Benz's 2026 GLE class is a compelling illustration of the standards of modern automotive excellence. It gracefully unites tradition and innovation, demonstrating the brand's dedication to the development of technologies that are forward-thinking, luxurious, and precise. In today's era of electrification, digital transformation, and sustainability, the GLE class redefines what drivers should expect from a high-end vehicle, but it also expands upon its heritage as a mid-size luxury SUV. The 2026 GLE class has been meticulously designed by Mercedes-Benz to be an SUV that not only meets the changing expectations of customers, but also establishes new benchmarks in the areas of environmental responsibility, interior opulence, driving dynamics, and technological advancement. This model is a deliberate evolution rather than a complete redesign. The premium ownership experience that remains both familiar and thrilling is ensured by the enhancement of nearly every element of its predecessor. Upon first inspection, the 2026 GLE class's design is a profound reflection of its identity and purpose. As it introduces subtle yet impactful changes that enhance its visual allure, it maintains its assertive, confident posture. They are not merely cosmetic adjustments. They are indicative of a comprehensive design philosophy that prioritizes aerodynamics, function, and sophistication. At the front, the GLE class is equipped with LED headlamps that are both more slender and more precise, and they are built with adaptive matrix technology as standard. Not only do these lights improve visibility at night, but they also contribute to a more assertive and commanding road presence. The headlamps are complemented by a revised grille design that now includes illuminated surrounds, which accentuate the SUV's upscale appearance and bolster its visibility in low-light conditions. Its robust aspect is further enhanced by the redesigned lower front fascia. Sculpted air intakes and vents that now flow more smoothly into the body lines are indicative of the aerodynamic enhancements. Not only are these design elements visually appealing, but they also enhance ventilation efficiency and reduce drag, thereby enhancing the overall performance and fuel efficiency of the vehicle. From the side profile, the GLE class maintains its reputation for balanced proportions. However, the overall posture is slightly more athletic. This vehicle's sleek profile is further enhanced by a refined beltline that extends its entire length. A seamless, refined character is lent to the SUV by the sculpted body panels and flush-mounted door handles. In addition, these particulars enhance aerodynamics and mitigate wind noise at elevated velocities. At the rear, the taillights have been redesigned with a contemporary 3D effect, which provides them with a futuristic appearance and increased visual depth when illuminated. To enhance the integration of the rear diffuser and dual exhaust outlets, the rear bumper has been discreetly reshaped. By combining these modifications, the 2026 GLE class is rendered unmistakably premium, modern, and cohesive from every perspective. This SUV, however, is not merely a design experiment. Hidden beneath the sheet metal is the most recent incarnation of the brand's modular high architecture (MHA) platform. In order to accommodate a wider variety of drivetrains such as mild hybrids, plug-in hybrids, and complete battery electric powertrains, this platform has been substantially improved in certain international markets. Enhanced travel comfort, structural integrity, and versatility are the results of this revised framework. In addition, it enables Mercedes-Benz to provide the GLE class to a broader audience with a variety of powertrain preferences.